position you are comfortable in Vajrasana, half Padmasana, Sukhasana, cross leg. Just sit in any comfortable position. Place your palms in Gyan Mudra on your knees. Your back and neck must be straight. Your shoulders must be relaxed. Just roll up them and relax them. Close your eyes slowly and gently. Take natural breathings. With each inhalation, make yourself prepared for today's yoga practice mentally and physically. If any thoughts or worries into your mind, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale. With closed eyes, scan your body. Feel how you are feeling right now. Observe all feelings mentally. Focus on each body part and observe how you are feeling. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and make an intention that throughout the practice, I'll be aware about my body posture, my breathing, and body movement. Exhale and relax yourself. Natural breathing continue. From here, with 3 Om chanting and Gayatri Mantra, we'll start our session. Inhale, take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. Inhale and we'll start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodayam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your hands at your back. Hold your right wrist with your left palm. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale and forward bend. Try to touch floor with your forehead. Hold for few seconds. Inhale and come up. Bring your both the palms in front of your face. While looking at your palms, Open your eyes slowly and gently. Today we'll practice the Pragya Yoga. I'm not sure that how many people have heard about the Pragya Yoga. The Pragya Yoga is a rhythmic session exercise set of the 16 asanas. In the 16 asanas, it covers the Pragya Yoga. Pandit Sri Ram Acharya Sharma, who is the founder of the Gayatri Parivar, he has bring this Pragya Yoga. In the Pragya Yoga, our entire body and breathing in one rhythm only. Just we have to be aware about our breathing and our body movements. So we'll start this asana. And before starting this asana, the thing is that in the Surya Namaskara or the Chandra Namaskara, we start the asana from the front of the our yoga mat. However, the Pragya asana, we start with the end of your yoga mat. In the Pragyasana, the way you have performed the Surya Namaskara also, so in the Surya Namaskara, there is some beach mantra. The Pragya Namaskar, Pragya Yoga, the beach mantras are the Gayatri mantra. I'm not sure that how many people know the importance of the Gayatri mantra. Many people in the Hinduism, if I talk about, they specifically talk about one god, like they pray Shivji Bhagwan, Vishnu Bhagwan, or other Bhagwan. But in the Gayatri Mantra, the gods, who are the gods, they were actually keep chanting the Gayatri Mantra. So it's a more powerful from the Brahma. It comes to the world. So it is requested that power Gayatri Mantra itself, it is so powerful that if we practice it regularly, it give a immense strength in our body, which is mentally and physically as well. So make a intention with entire the practice. I'll control my breathing. I'll be aware about my breathing and my body posture. So we are starting the session from here. There are total 16 rounds. So in three steps we'll do so that we can all be in same page. Like from here we are starting from the end of the yoga mat. Just stand on your yoga mat for few minutes. Feel the gravity of the earth. No movement in your body. Close your eyes and just feel the gravity of earth. Take natural breathings. Be aware about your breathing. Inhalation and exhalation. Make yourself prepared for Pragyasana, Pragya Yoga. First asana in the Pragya Yoga is the Tadasana. In Tadasana, have a look how to. Between your feet should be touching to each other. There would be no gap between your feet. If someone has a high, I request everyone to switch on their videos. However, keep themselves on mute. There would be no gap between your feet. Now from here, rise, lift your hands above the head, interlock your fingers and turn around them facing towards sky or roof. And from here, stand on your toes, lift your heels as well. Stretch your entire body as much as you can do. That is the first step. We'll hold for 5 seconds so that in continuation we can continue with this. So just inhale. In this asana, your breathing will be very normal. Stand in your yoga mat, lift your hands above the head, interlock your fingers, turn them, lift your heels and stretch your entire body. You would be standing on your toes. If anyone having the severe toes issue, they can keep their toes flattened. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Relax, come down. The second posture is the Padottanasana, in Padhastanasana. In this asana, your hands are like this, okay? So relax position. Now from here, we'll go down and we'll touch our toes. Ensure your knees must be softened. Your knees must be softened. There would be 5 to 6 inches gap between your feet and try to touch your toes like this. This is the second position. So from here, you are here and then exhale and come down. Very nice. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now from here, we were in this posture. From here, we'll go to the Vajrasana. For the Vajrasana, you will bend your knees like this. Take a support of your palms, flatten your toes and sit on your heels. The people who can't sit in Vajrasana, they can sit in a cross leg or the comfortable position or just try to sit on your knees. You can use a pillow here. You can place pillow over your heels so it would be comfortable to you. Okay? So from exhalation, from Padottanasana, we'll come down to the Vajrasana. Very nice. Sit in this position. Your breathing would be in this posture. Your breathing would be inhalation. From exhalation to inhalation. Very nice. Hold this posture for 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here we'll go to the Ushtarasana. In the Ushtarasana you will keep a distance, you will apart your knees and your feet. And from here you will stand and your breathing would be exhalation. Your toes must be flattened. You'll revolve your right hand and then left hand, and then this area your stomach would be expanded, and then you drop your neck slightly, okay, like this. The people who having the cervical, epilepsy or vertigo issue, they can look like this, and the people who can't bend, they can do like this, but everyone has to perform, okay? So from Vajrasana, we'll come to the Ustrasana position, 4th number position. Keep a distance apart your knees, then your feet. Stand on your knees. Very nice. Now from here, revolve your right hand. Very nice. Very nice. And hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Keep doing it. Now from here, we'll go to the Yog Nidra. In Yog Nidra, again you will sit in this posture. You'll interlock your fingers and you'll touch your forehead with floor. While extending your fingers, your hand, it must be straight. No bending from elbow. Your palms would be touching to each other. You would be sitting on your heels only. You should not rise yourself. The people whose body is not enough flexible, they can rise up, but aim for the final position. Give a little pressure strain that will be in this posture only. If you are unable to do, then keep your back parallel to floor like this. Okay, so let's start for the Yog Mudra. Exhale, bend forward, interlock your fingers. Sit on your heels only. Your forehead must be touching to the floor. Very nice. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and up. In inhale and up, we'll perform the Ardha Tarasana. In the same posture, we'll lift our hand, interlock the fingers, and then stretch it. Okay? The breathing would be inhalation. Let's start together. Come up. You will be like this. From here, we'll come up. Lift our hands, interlock fingers, rise them as much as we can. The breathing would be inhalation. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. From here again, it will be like we are here. We'll exhale and go to the Sashankasana in this position, where again you are sitting on your heels. Your palms, forearms are touching to the floor, and forehead is also touching to the floor. So from here, Ardha Tadasana, exhale and bend forward. Very nice. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 4, 5, and relax. Now from here, we'll go to the Bhujangasana. We'll inhale and Bhujangasana like this. Your palms must be next to your chest. Very nice. And now lift your body, your upper body. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. Let's start together. Come to the Bhujangasana posture. Very nice. Lie down on yoga mat. Place your palms just next to your chest. Both the feet are together and toes are flattened. Now from here, rise your upper body. Very nice. Hold the position where you are comfortable. Do not need to rise your body this much. If you are comfortable here, just hold here. Hold for 5 seconds. Breathing would be normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now from here, we'll go to the Triyak Bhujangasana. We'll look at the left heel. Very nice. Hold this posture. Breathing would be normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now from here, we'll look at the right side. Breathing would be normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, we'll exhale and we'll come to the Shashankasana position like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start together. You were in the Bhujangasana Triakasana like this. Now from here, exhale and come to the Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Your hands must be straight. Forehead is still touching to the floor. Hold this posture. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Very nice. From the Shashankasana, again we'll go to the Ardha Tadasana. We'll lift our hands, interlock our fingers, and we'll stretch our palms as much as we can. You'll feel a stretch over your spine also. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. Your breathing would be normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and take a look for the next asana. From here, we'll go to the Utkatasana, where again our breathing would be normal. You will be sitting on your toes. The one who having the severe toe issues, they can sit on the flattened toe. Your breathing would be normal. Your back must be straight. Place your palms in Atmanjali Mudra, Namaskara Mudra, and your chest, your thumbs are next to your chest, close to your chest. Breathing would be normal. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now from here, we'll exhale and we'll come to this posture. Then from here, again inhale and Tadasana position, and then Namaste. Relax, Samistiti. Okay, so come from the Utkatasana. You were sitting in Utkatasana position. Now from here, exhale and come to the Padangusthanasan. Hold for 5 seconds. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, inhale and go up. Do a Tadasana, full Tadasana. Interlock your fingers. Stand on your toes. Stretch your entire body. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Samistiti. Now I say the asana's name and step. I request you all to continue in a 1-1 round. There's no need to hold the posture. I'll say 1 and asana name and breathing. Then you should continue and I'll have a look at how you are doing. Then together we'll do for the hold of 30 seconds. Okay? So let's start together. Come to the end of your yoga mat. Tadasana. Very nice. Stretch your entire body. Your breathing would be normal. Inhale. Very nice. Exhale. And come to the Padhastanasana. Very nice. Bend yourself. Very nice. Do it. This would be exhalation. Then from here, we'll come to the third posture, Vajrasana, where inhale. Inhale and come to third position. Feel the rhythm of this series. Very nice. Now from here, go to fourth posture, Ushtarasana. Ushtarasana like this. Very nice. Your breathing would be exhalation. Now from here, go to Yog Mudra. Like this. Exhale and go to Yog Mudra. Very nice. Very nice. Keep doing it. From Yog Mudra to come to Ardha Tadasana. In this posture, inhale and Ardha Tadasana. Very nice. Now from here, exhale and go to Shashankasana. Very nice. From here, inhale and go to Bhujangasana. Very nice. Bhujangasana. Come to Bhujangasana. Inhale and Bhujangasana. Your breathing would be normal. Very nice. Now from here, look at the Triyak Bhujangasana. Look at your left heel. Very nice. Breathing would be normal and look at the right heel. Triyak Bhujangasana, right. Very nice. Now from here, come to the Sashankasana. Very nice. Exhale and come to the Sashankasana. Again, inhale. And Ardha Tadasana. Very nice. From here, come to normal breathing and sit in the Utkatasana on your toes. Very nice. Now from Utkatasana, we'll go to Padhastanasana. Exhale and Padhastanasana. Very nice. Now from here, we'll go to Tadasana. Stand on your toes. Very nice. Stretch your entire body as much as you can. Look at some unmoving point. Very nice. Very nice. The flow is good. And then Samastiti, the normal posture. I'm sure you all would be feeling the flow and rhythm of this asana. Now together we'll start with the hold of 30 seconds. Okay? So we'll starting from here. Lift your hands, interlock your fingers, turn them to the sky, Tadasana position. Your breathing would be normal. Stretch your feet, stand on your toes, very nice. Look at some unmoving point and hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and exhale and come to the Padhastanasana. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds, and if you can hold your breathing for 30 seconds, that would be great. Otherwise, keep taking natural breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Inhale and come to the Vajrasana posture. The people having the can't sit in Vajrasana, they can use the pillow in this area or can sit on comfortable position or on your knees. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Breathing would be inhalation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. And from here we'll go to the Uttanasana. The breathing would be normal. Your knees and feet will get apart at shoulder length distance. Feet must be flattened on floor. Then revolve your entire right hand and touch your right heel and then your left heel. This area, your stomach area must be expanded. 1, 2, hold this posture for 30 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop your neck very easily, smoothly and gently. 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Exhale and come to the Yoga Nidra. Interlock your fingers, your palms would be touching to each other. Stretch your hands, touch your floor with your forehead. Sit on your heels and hold this posture for 30 seconds. Your breathing would be exhale. If you can hold your breathing for 30 seconds, it's a great. Otherwise, tucked in your pelvic area and chest breathing will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. Your hands must be stretched out. It should be above your head, above your shoulders. They should not be touching to your body. They should be straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Inhale, come up to the Ardha Tadasana position. Raise your hands. You are like this. From here, we'll come up. We'll stretch our hands. Inhale, interlock our fingers. Very nice. Stretch your body. You'll feel a stretch in your spine also. Breathing would be normal, or you can hold for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Exhale and come to the Shashankasana. Your head is touching to the floor, your forearms on the floor. You are sitting on your heels. Hold this posture and breathing if you can. Otherwise, tucked in your pelvic area and breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are in Shashankasana position. Now from here we'll go to the Bhujangasana and breathing would be normal. We'll outstretch our feet. Both the feet are together. Lower your body. Your thighs would be on floor only. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Self-counting will start. If you are comfortable in this much stretch, okay. Hold here. Do not strain yourself for this. Just hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, we'll go to the Triyang Bhujangasana. Breathing would be normal. Look at your left heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Look at the left heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here we go to the right side. Look at your right heel. Triyang Bhujangasana at right. 1, 2, 3. Breathing would be normal. Pelvic area tucked in. Chest breathing continue. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Keep doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, exhale and come to the Shashankasana. Your forearms are touching to the floor. You are sitting on your heel. Forehead is touching to the floor. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Breathing would be exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And inhale and come to the Ardha Tadasana. Interlock your fingers, raise your hands above the head, stretch your entire spine and hands. Very nice, would be sitting on your toes. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Breathing is the inhalation. If you can hold, it is very good. Otherwise, tucked in your pelvic area and chest breathing will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Stretch your hands. Stretch your hands as much as you can do. If you can't interlock your fingers, just stretch your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from here, normal breathing and we'll come to the Utkatasana, like that. Sit on your toes. The one who are comfortable while sitting on toes, they can sit on flat toes. Okay, like this. So this is not a Utkatasana, but you can sit in this posture. Your back must be straight. Look at some unmoving point. Your hands must be Atmanjali Mudra, thumb next to your chest. Your breathing would be normal. Look at some unmoving point. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, we'll go to the Padhastanasana. Exhale and Padhastanasana. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, inhale and come to the Tadasana. Rise your hands above the head, interlock fingers. Rise your lips and hands together. Look at some unmoving point. You would be standing on your toes. The people who are uncomfortable to stretch your heels, they can stand on your feet and stretch your entire body. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Namaste. Very nice. Now from here, you can sit on your yoga mat in any comfortable position. Your back must be straight. If you're not comfortable and want to sit in chair, you can sit. There is no issue with that. Just sit in any comfortable position. Normalize your breathing system. Place your palms on your knees, and from here we'll perform the Bhramari Pranayama. Just have a look how to perform the Bhramari. You all have done earlier, like plugging your index finger in ear, but today we'll place our fingers on our face and then we'll perform it the same way. The inhalation and exhalation would be same. The exhalation would be like the in humming voice. So have a look how to where to place our fingers. Okay, the first index fingers, both the hands would be at ending of your eyebrows. Your second fingers would be ending to your middle finger in end of your nose. Your third fingers, your ring finger is at end of your lips, and then ring the little finger in on your chin. This would be posture, and your thumbs would be flap on your ears. Now we'll inhale. Have a look how to do. Inhale. Why to place this fingers like this? Because there's some points in our body, in our face, when you do the humming sound and your fingers on particular those points, it give a different or more effective effect on your body for this particular pranayama. Hope you all know that this pranayama is very good for the insomnia patients. If anyone having the anger issue or the stress issue, they can practice this asana regularly. They will see a difference in their moods. Also, it is very helpful for the immune boosting. So now these days this corona is there, so every day you can perform this asana to boost your immune system. So let's start together. You are sitting in a comfortable position. Place your fingers. We'll do 5 rounds on self counting. So place your fingers. First index fingers, place it to edge of the eyebrow. Very nice. The middle finger edge of your nose. The ring finger edge of your lips, and the little finger at your chin, center of your chin. Your thumbs must be at your ears. Press the flap of ears. If anyone having the severe infection in ears, they should not perform this pranayama. Otherwise, everyone can perform. 5 rounds on self counting. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. 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 Now from here, bring your palms on your knees. In Gyan Mudra, your eyes will remain closed. Natural breathing will continue. Feel the positive effect of today's yoga practice in your body, in your breathing. Exhale. If during the practice you felt any pain, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale. Feel the rhythm of Yoga, Pragya Yoga in your body with the breathing. Feel the positive effect. Exhale. Inhale. Observe your body with closed eyes and observe mentally, note down mentally the difference before starting the asana practice and after the today's session. How you are feeling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the power of Gayatri Mantra and you perform all the asana with the Gayatri Mantra. Feel the positive effect in your body and exhale. Take natural breathing with 3 Om chanting and Shanti Path will end the session. Take a deep breath. Inhale. 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 May every human being rest in peace. They keep spreading love to each other. There would be no worries, no disabilities. With this intention, we'll do the Shanti Path. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your both the palms. Place it on your eyes. On your face. On your head. Again on your face. Beneath your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. शुक्रिया. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. आपका दिन मंगलमय रहे. Thank you, ma'am. Do
Ankaji,
share
next
your
session
feedback.
Monday.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Next session would be on Monday. And if you any doubts related to today's session, you can ask in group as well or now also, or you can share your feedback, especially about the Pragya Yoga that ever you heard about it earlier, you ever did it. So keep sharing your feedbacks to know us that how was your experience
Yes, ma'am.
about
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Okay, thank
Vajrasana is
you.
the only problem for me.
Ma'am, it will happen. Don't worry because
Okay.
now it's only 3-4 days. If
Yes,
I
ma'am.
talk about myself, there are the few asanas that with regular practice of 3-4 years, even in today's date I can't perform the asana, few asanas. So there's a
Okay.
time because we have to give time also to our body to learn the things. But as I said that